Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna be doing a what's in my bag for you guys. This is like a very old type of video, but I still like watching them. And I'm gonna be doing a what's in my bag on the Prada Nylon re-edition. And I'm pretty sure, guys, I forgot if it's the 2000 or the 2005, but I'm pretty sure that this is the 2000. I guess I'll just do like a review and like a what's in my bag. I got this in 2020, so it's been a year, which I don't even want to admit because I can't believe it's been a year. It's, you know, doesn't even feel like it. Yeah, it's in very good condition. It's like very suitable for me because I love stuff that's very casual, as you guys like probably know by now. Like I love casual stuff, so this is very perfect. Like it's literally just my favorite. Like I love it. But I just think the 2000 is more, I don't know, I feel like it was more in last year because of like the, what is it, under the shoulder, like the 腋下包 trend. So I think I got the 05 or the 2000 re-edition, and also because I'm born in 2000, so this is just a dust bag that it came with. I ordered it off of their website. Like it's honestly held up great. A lot of people are like, oh, I don't want to get it because it's nylon, whatever, but like it's really durable and you don't really have to like be so careful with it. Like obviously you don't want to like ruin it. So it's held up great. So if you guys are wondering about the wear and tear, yeah, I am careful with my stuff. It was rained on, like it wasn't like pouring rain. I didn't know it was gonna rain, but I did bring this out in the rain before and it's like in pretty good condition, which you know, we love that. It says on the tag, guys, I'm so sorry, 2000 re-edition. So I was right. They have like new ones this year. They also have fur ones, which are so cute. Like Yushusin has a light pink fur version, which is like so cute. They also have like the white one this year and like a light pink one, but it kind of looks purple to me. So like last year, there weren't as many colors. It was only like black, red, tan, blue, pink, yellow. I don't know, but it was just like those colors. Now this year they came out with a bunch of different variations. Like the fur one is really cute. Like I've seen a bunch of people post about the fur one. So, you know, if you guys want to get the fur one, then definitely get the fur one because it's very cute. Okay, so now getting into what I keep with me. This is usually what I keep with me in like any bag. So, okay, so the first thing, I'm filming on my phone right now. I'm filming on YouLike, but I know a lot of people like when they buy a bag, they want to make sure that their phone can fit inside, but that's not really an issue for me because like whenever I'm out, my phone is always in my hand. So it's really bad, but you know, I'm pretty sure a lot of people are like me, so my phone is in my hands. I have a receipt. I bought 2 triangle sushis. It was because this was when I got rained on. My friends and I went to Galleria because we like drank the night before and this was the morning after, so I have some eye drops. I love eye drops. This is the Systane Ultra ones that are from Costco. I've been using them for years. My friend Rachel like recommended it to me years ago. The Japanese ones are crazy, like the black one, you know what I mean? Like the black circle one. Oh my gosh, it's so minty. Like I don't like it. Okay, so the next thing, why do I have so many receipts? Oh, this is a note that my mom wrote for me. I have an eyelash glue. This is the DUP eyelash glue. It is so good. If you guys are looking for a good eyelash glue, definitely check out the DUP one. It's like, I feel like a lot of people use this. It's just really good. Okay, so the next thing is what is this? Eyelid tape, 双眼皮贴, okay? Because I use that on a daily basis. This is the AB ones. I guess that I can like recommend some for you guys. I also have the same ones as Yushusin, but I first tried it out in Hong Kong. I didn't even know she used it. You know, we're just really twinning, but they are the ones with like the blue packaging. I also like these ones. This is the AB brand. It has like the brown packaging. I actually have a new one. This is just the AB brand eyelid tape. And it comes in this little, oh, holding it backwards. And it just comes in this little case. So really nice, very travel friendly. Let me see. Okay, I have a perfume in here. This is the Versace Bright Crystal. This isn't even a roller ball. This is a spray on. It smells good though. I just prefer these like little ones because yeah, transport them very easily. Also have the big size, so yeah. My friends got it for me in like a set for my birthday last year, so we love. Thank you to them if they're watching. And then I have my pink card holder. I don't think you can see anything, right? But anyways, really cute light pink YSL one. I have my student ID, cards, IDs. We see my beautiful University of Toronto student ID. I can't believe like I'm literally gonna be 4th year next semester, like when school starts. Like What? Okay, anyways, that's that. I didn't even know I had the Prada cards in here. Authenticity card. Okay, so I have some lip products, which are like probably the most interesting things I keep with me. I just have 2 in here. This is like my ultimate favorite, I think. This is the 3CE Style Nanda Velvet Lip Tint, and it is in the shade Going Right. Love it. I will swatch it. Very suitable for my skin tone. So now this is MAC Luster Lipstick in Cockney. I think I also mentioned this in like videos before, but a strawberry red, like really perfect for the summertime. That's the second color, Cockney. So really different, but both are really nice and like very suitable for summer. Well, this is like a really good kind of all year round My Lips But Better shade. Okay guys, so my phone is about to blow up. Like every single time I film videos, like my phone is literally gonna explode. That's basically all I keep in this bag. Like, you know, if you guys want to still get it, then definitely do, because I think it's like a very good casual, just everyday, you just can't go wrong with it, especially in like basic colors like black. I love mine, you know? I love it so much. That's pretty much the end of the video. Subscribe to my channel, follow me on my Instagram, Spotify, Xiaohongshu, you know, other stuff. Always linked in the description box below. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. I hope you guys have a great day or night wherever you guys are, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.